On this episode, I wanted to speak about how obsession, discipline, and hard work is required in tech, data science, and software development. I believe data science is the future, but because it's an interdisciplinary field that takes computer science, mathematics, and many other different fields all combined into one, it makes this a difficult field. A field which many people find that they become quickly overwhelmed, find that there are too many new ideas, tools, and concepts that are coming, and simply give up on it. Data science is already affecting many aspects of our reality, our business, and our society. That it's a future in data science is something which will have so much opportunity, irrespective of what role within data science. Now, I feel it would be an injustice for me to be talking about all the trends in tech and data science affecting society, how people can be able to how people can be able to understand concepts in data science without speaking about how much value data science will be. I'm not going to even put up any article on how data science is the future, the economic impact, what's the future. It's just a simple topic. Data science is the future. But in order to learn data science, you have to be, firstly, comfortable with being lost, comfortable with being overwhelmed. And in order for you to actually learn, grow, and become proficient and efficient in this field, you have to have discipline, hard work, and obsession. Part of the issue is there's so much noise of all these roles are going to be taken up. AI is going to take so many roles, but most people don't understand this. This means that there's so much potential for the field. I did an episode before where I talked about the parallels between the early internet and AI. When the internet was beginning to say, okay, if this was the year 2000, and I said, listen, the internet is big, focus on a role within the internet. This will give you opportunity. We are at that moment right now. For example, the field of large language models, transformers, which is the engine behind chatbots. This is something that appeared in the early 2010s. And it's something which you can say is still in the infancy of the field. So even if you start now, it's okay to be lost. It's okay to be overwhelmed. It's okay. It is okay. This is not a motivational speech. I'm not trying to give you a warm feeling inside. I'm actually talking about working hard when no one is looking, being lost and uncomfortable, finding vast amounts of information and wondering how you're going to break it down. And part of the reason why I am building data science is I'm building data science in all aspects. I have a playlist called Building Data Science where I break through concepts in data science. I'm also going to do one called Data Analytics, where I'm going to speak about data analytics topics, building machine learning, where I'm going to speak about machine learning ideas, and building deep learning, where I'm talking about neural networks. So I'm trying to break it down into simpler steps so people can be able to understand. But I can't get there without actually saying that, okay, listen, on this tech newsletter where I speak about data science and tech affecting society, I can't speak about that without saying, look, if this is the future, then you have to be willing to be bored. You have to be willing to be disciplined. You have to be willing to obsess over this because this is where the opportunity is. Part of the last ideas that I wanted to speak about is you have to have persistence. In one of the episodes, I think I spoke about my career, where I spoke about how I was simply below average for most of my life. It's not something I'm proud of, but it's something that I want to say that you can shift from being average to wanting more. And some of the times when you want more for yourself, there has to be opportunity to actually gain more. And that's why I'm saying you can have different roles within data science, which can suit your personality. Forget the noise of that jobs are going to disappear. But if you learn the fundamental skills, get the certifications, get the qualifications within the data science space, which when you find what you want to do, and we can speak about which roles can work for you, how it can work for you, what's changing, what's not. But the thing is, data science is where you need to be But when you find that, when you now need to work towards that, you need discipline. You need to obsess. You need to work every day. You need to break down the ideas into smaller steps and try and build on that. Learn, get bored, get confused, close the book, come back the next day. You need to be persistent. This persistence is what will differentiate you. This is what people will say you are excellence later on. Excellence is simply persistence that has been hidden. When people see you, they'll see that excellence of achievement, but they won't see the persistence when no one is looking. One of the main stories that I love in the Bible is the story of where a friend comes to visit someone, and because now that person has been caught off guard, they simply go to their other friend to go ask for bread. Now, when they knock at their other friend to say, listen, I have an unexpected visitor, please give me bread. They knock in the middle of the night. The expectation is because they're knocking at a friend that the door will be opened. But that friend refuses to get up to say it's in the middle of the night, leave. And sometimes we expect doors to open, we expect results, we expect certain things because of relationship certifications or whatever. But one of the most powerful things in that story was that the friend is that the person continued to knock until the person got up. And it says he got up not because it was his friend, but because he persisted to knock. This idea of persistence, I think, is so paramount, and I think will be a travesty if I continue to explain ideas, see the potential, show you articles of what it's doing, and I say, okay, this is something to go in, but I don't talk about how you need to be persistent, and that persistence today will lead to excellence tomorrow, and that excellence tomorrow will give you that paycheck, that life that you want, irrespective of whichever field you come from. I think it's important that I rant sometimes. Please share your comments, give your thoughts. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.